Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video I'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Like I've written in my weekly analysis, like 1st March is an important trend change date. So how we can use it and how we can find it out. So I just wanted to show you guys so that you can go ahead and you know use these dates well in advance. So I'm using a software called GAN Analyst Professional. Now, this software is available free of cost. I mean, you can download it, and in this, you go to tools and click on GAN emblem. So GAN used to focus on three things, which is circle, rectangle, and triangle. And we need to, if you put a start date, these software will automatic. These are degrees. So these degrees are converted into days. Now, if you open the chart of Nifty, and if you will see here, I'll just bring the chart of Nifty. On 30th October 2020, we have made a major bottom. If you can see here, 30th October 2020, we made a major bottom. So I have just fed in the date here, October 30th 2020, and with this I'll get the important trend change date. So once first important trend change date was Jan 30th. Next which is coming is March 01. Let's see what happened on Jan 30th. Jan 30th is where Nifty made a major bottom. Like 29th was a holiday, and 30th was a holiday, 29th was the last trading day. So this was a major bottom. Next day market opened gap up, and this was the budget day. After that it just rallied. So now today the date is coming as 1st March, which is today, and today probably will open gap up only. So with this gap, what is going to happen is, watch out for 14,641 to 683 levels. If this level is held, 14,641 to 683, then we can rally back till 14,884, 14,995, 945, 15,007, and the ultimate target being 15,121 of this up move. Similarly, if we break this level, so basically what I will do is I'll just note down the first 15-minute open of today. If the market is trading above the open, the trend is on upside, and if suppose it breaks 14,641 after gap down, then we are going down all the way till 581, 521, and 14,400. These are the levels which I'm seeing for today. Similarly, if I check the neural analysis, a lot of people have asked me about neural analysis. It also shows that we have made a bottom, and after that we can see a rally all the way till 3rd of March, and after that we are seeing a fall in Nifty again. 4th being a very important anniversary date, so I'll try to cover in some other videos on that. Similarly, this is for Bank Nifty. You can see here, again it shows that we have made a bottom, and we can see a rally again till 3rd and 4th, and after that we are seeing some dip in Bank Nifty. So this is about neural analysis, and this is what I have discussed about this, I mean how to find an important trend change date using the simple GAN emblem. So watch out for these dates, and let's see what market has in store. Thank you very much.